raised by the wolves, aim till they fool. Run through the night, playing with your life. Go against the pack, that's risking your life. Better play it right, yeah, you better play it right.
I got loyalty and blood, I do anything for love and everything for us. Doing everything like everything ain't been too much. You know my favorite time to come through for you is the clutch. Last second, what a rush. Look, I'm the type to talk to the stars. Straight up, these ain't tattoos, these are scars. My young dogs will tear you when the witnesses apart. They care about starving more than they do by the charge. Me, I can't break a commitment. I just seen people fuck up the whole team cause they couldn't play their position. Talking about dating me, bitch, you know the road ahead was paved with good intentions. I see myself in my nemesis, I contemplate forgiveness. I think I lost all my innocence. Whole my life depend on this. This ain't no simple sucker shit. Try and steal and you get bit. That's what you motherfucking get. I feel safer taking risks and I can't eat this on my own life. Put my back against the wall just to see how much I grow, dog.
I was raised by the wolves, aim till they fool. Run through the night, playing with your life. Go and get the pack, that's risking your life. Better play it right, better play it right. I was raised by the wolves, aim till they fool. Run through the night, playing with your life. Go and get the pack, that's risking your life. Better play it right, yeah, you better play it right.
I was raised by the wolves, pay all my dues. Always in the game and never played by the rules. Try to make me leave, fell down to my knees. Pick myself up and turn my back to the breeze. Oh, spend a million on a million, mama, look at me. With all these diamond chokers, man, it's getting hard to breathe. Thought that you were family, cause some branches of my dreams. But if you in my circle, know I'll always be around. Don't let me down. You said you died for me, where there's the ground. Ice on my wrist, ice in my veins. But it's a cold, cold world and you could be predator, you could be prey. I was